The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 will be released soon. This time it comes with several upgrades, such as including a dust resistance hinge and an improved processor. However, despite the various complaints for a larger one, it still maintains the same camera system and outer screen size. Here are the features of the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5. Dust resistance. Samsung's foldables are undoubtedly one of the best foldable smartphones you can find. They offer a smooth user interface, excellent for multitasking, have great camera qualities, and many more. The Samsung Fold 4 even boasts as the only foldable smartphone currently with a waterproof feature due to the IPX8 hinge system the phone uses. Although this hinge offers several advantages, such as water resistance to Samsung's foldables, it has some downsides. For example, it creates a glaring crease on the screen when closed and adds extra weight, making the phone a bit heavy. With a new IP67 hinge system that will serve as both water and dust resistance systems, Samsung seeks to solve this problem that users have been complaining about. Talking about new features, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 will also come with a more advanced processor for better performance and power efficiency. We will talk more about that in a minute. Keep watching.
I ain't going nowhere.
She ain't going nowhere.
This new gapeless raindrop hinge will not only resist water and dust, but will also decrease the weight of the Galaxy Fold 5. The Fold 5 is expected to be about 10 grams lighter than the Fold 4, meaning it could weigh around 253 grams, making it one of the lightest foldables available. Camera. The camera system of the Galaxy Z Fold 5 will still remain a downside of Samsung's foldables. Despite their huge price tags, the Z Fold 5 will not have any camera upgrades, but rather will maintain the same cameras as the Galaxy Fold 4 and the S23 Plus. Earlier on, there were rumors about Samsung upgrading to a higher 108 megapixel sensor camera for the Fold 5, the same one that was used for the S22 Ultra. Contrary to that, Ice Universe, a reliable tipster with a good record of predictions, tweeted that the Galaxy Z Fold 5 will continue to use the same camera module as Fold 4. It is impossible to use HP2.
That's a shame.
This could be as a result of one main reason: the desire to make the Fold 5 as light as possible. Adding a bigger camera sensor, such as the 108 megapixel sensor, could add extra weight to the device, a reason why they still did not include an S Pen slot into the Z Fold 5. Should Ice Universe's report be true, then the Fold 5 will come with a 50 megapixels main camera, 10 megapixels telephoto camera with a 3x optical zoom feature, and a 12 megapixels ultra-wide sensor with good stabilization. That is not the only feature Samsung will not be upgrading.
Really?
Really?
The Galaxy Z Fold 5 will still maintain the same cover screen size as its predecessor. Keep watching to know more. Subscribe to our channel for more updates on the Galaxy Z Fold 5 and everything Samsung. We promise to serve you with the best Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 news. Processor. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 will be powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 or a Plus version, which would be much better. For this, you can bet your last dollar on. The Z Fold 4 came with a Plus version of the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1, which offers better performance and power efficiency than the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 used in the Galaxy S22 series. Qualcomm is likely to announce the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor, which will power most 2023 Android phones, including the Z Fold 5 soon. Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor is expected to increase the GPU performance of the Fold 5 by up to 25%, as well as increase the power efficiency by 45%. The Fold 5 is also expected to come with a 12 GB RAM, a non-expandable 256 GB internal storage space, and to be operated on Android 13. Display. According to Ice Universe, the Galaxy Z Fold 5 will not have a bigger cover screen despite many users complaining about the current 6.2 inches outer display screen of the Z Fold 4. In a latest tweet, the reliable tipster stated that, "Unfortunately, I can confirm that the Galaxy Z Fold 4 external screen is still 6.2 inches. This is a major downside of Samsung's foldables, as it limits users to only a handful of functions, such as replying to messages and the likes. As an upgrade to the Fold 4, many Samsung users were expecting a bigger outer screen for extended functions, but it seems all the complaints fell on deaf ears. No change in the outer screen could also mean there won't be any upgrades for the inner or main screens, especially when Samsung's focus is mainly on portability, improving user experience, and making the Fold 5 more lighter. The Fold 5 still maintains the 7.2-inch inner display screen size with a 120Hz refresh rate, just like the outer screen, and the same OLED panels. Price and release date. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 release date will obviously be in the second half of 2023, possibly in August. This is because its two predecessors, the Galaxy Fold 4 and Fold 3, were both released in August of 2022 and 2021, respectively, making it very likely for the Fold 5 also to be released in August should all go as planned. We expect pricing to range between $1,454 and $1,799, just like the Z Fold 4. Do you think the price tag is a good fit for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5? Let's get interactive in the comments section below. We also have the latest leaks and interesting features about the Galaxy Z Roll 5G. Click on the link to learn all about the trending leaks. See you next time.